number 6, long 2, no good. Offensive rebound to number 7, kick out. 14 on the shot clock, number 7 to number 6, falling to 1, to number 16, no good. There's a big back. Yes, number 6. Drop pass, lays it in. Good for 2. Make that foul foul. There's number 26. First personal and first team foul. Bonus is good. Rebound. On the front team, Lenji. Very best on the point guard. Drawing. Spain. Kick out to Flores. Not to Zambray. Yes, sir. All board play. Kamasa isa. Number 7, Corpus na napasa. Right away. Shot is good. 6-3. Nasa na ito. But again, the wood guard. We're all 114. Taking on the shot clock. Again, and Leon. And it's a turnover. Pass, number 16 again. Papiso lang. 8-3, lima. That's the end of the room. Number 6, Stasha now. 16 on the shot clock. 3 pass, Kamasa. Kick out, Flores, nice fake. Drive, Wesley, 10 on the shot clock. Kick out, Stasha, launches, a long break, no good. Rebound. Number 6, Bamak 1. Tatawin. Finding is team number 16, Espina. Balikin number 19, Corpus Leon. 12 on the shot clock, tigran na naman. 10 on the shot clock, Corpus. To number 21, fake. 30-second violation. Kaya defense. Destinito, bawal mong kunin. And it's a dark corner. Corpus pa rin. Ayaw, nakukulay. Pero napasa. 10-7. Adjust number 14. Point guard. Setting up play. Flores. Pull up. Inhale. Rebound 19. Pass number 7. Corpus ulit natanggap sa bola. Drive. Hesitation. Teardrop. Four shot. Rebound. And it's the same ball. 16 on the shot clock. Link number CCI. 2129. Bios po. Patabi. Baka po matawan sa sakyan nyo. Yung Bios. Salamat. CCI po ang plate number. CCI plate number Bios. Salamat. Okay, balik ulit sa dark. Drive, number 7 is it in. Put back is good. Well, finish up. Okay, Ardons. Pasulong ulit ang link number ng CCI Leo Laginas. Kailangan mas lang. Number 7. Corpus. 14 on the shot clock. Bring pass. Papiso-piso. Wala ngayon. Rebound. Balik na naman ang veterano. Intercepted. On the ball guard and whistle. Here's number 6. First contact, first team foul. Alright, ready. Castro pass, Flores. Bagi Castro. Down 3. Wala pa rin. Concepcion. Pass. Number 7. Corpus. Lays it in. Nugget. Leon Flores. Attack the basket. Lays it in. Nicely go down, 20 on the shot clock. Downs, long 2. Maraming down, perception pa rin. Pass break, line. Michelle Corpus, lays it in. Good for 2. Okay, last possession. 43 on 6. 5 minutes and time. Pass, Flores, not just a 3. Give it. Change break down, 4 and 6, Provence, Sabado. Okay, close down. Jimmy. Israel. Apitan. Left wing. Sa gitna. Recover. There's her 14. Top and lays it in. Wala. Leaving away up. Let's see. Drawing on the down one. With a pass to Mr. Flores. Big. Drawing. Clear drop. No basket. And that's a good go. There's number 8. First personal. 17 go. Ready jumpers. Sound drive. It's good. 8-14 for Lasani. Pass the out. Long 3. In and out. Rebound is the last one. At Tatoe. Castro. Spin move. Keep down. Sa kalaban ng Tame. Here's number 4. Ito na Mastavio. Magpapasa ang number 2. 8-16 for Isolo. Kasi Mr. Castro. Long throw is good. 11-16. Kawasan 5. Guys, that's very decent. Number 3, yeah, pick and pass. 14 on the shot clock. Is a good pa rin. 8-11. Balik sa pito. 14 on the shot clock. Long 3 again. Look at it. Rebound. There's your rate. Drawing. Is it in? Wala ang labas. Splash on the rebound. At Johnson pushing the ball. Drop pass. And blocking foul. Jersey number 241. First personal foul. 13 down. Ready jumpers. South right. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Pittman. Recover. Young pass to number 8, Dizon. 14 on the shot clock. Young launches a 3. In and out. Offensive rebound. Drive, Kidner. Down the defense. Rebound. And there's a buko. And it's a simple. 12 on the shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock pa yan. 12 on the shot clock pa yan. Set. Number 14 Castro to Flores. Very good, and it's a single. Up. Okay, 19 on the shot clock. 19 on the shot clock. Ayun nga gano'n. Okay, buka tayo naman. Number 8. There's a number 1 is wrong there. That's again, okay, go na. Torres. In it. Rebound. Estacio. Wala. 14 on the shot clock, Big Empires, skip with you. Okay, lima naman. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Yes, again, here's number 3, Mr. Young. 16 on the shot clock, Young, drive, bounce pass. 12 on the shot clock, papiso, malakas, recover, 8-second shot clock pa yan. Forward pass, and there's a pushing down. There's number 23. First contact, 17 down, 24. Here's Young, hold the pass. 10-second shot clock. Good it, rebound. Pasa, Castro. Down sa pass. Turnover. Ball and tandem. Okay, once again, Mr. Young, jersey number 3 on the logo. 15 on the shot clock. Okay, legal pick on the big man, number 31. There's one up and a warning for penalty. Here's Flores. 15 on the shot clock. Flores pa rin. 12 seconds. Step back long range. No good. Good back is good. Okay, shot clock step. 15 seconds. Sakto, number 4. 8 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Pass over 8. 5 seconds. Got the buzz on first. And a whistle. That is a good counters. Number 14. First personal foul and a 13 penalty. Two throws now. 3.3 seconds. Sa ating game clock. Okay, ready jumpers. Jumpers here. Okay, apat. 3.3 seconds. Baseball pass. Mr. Flores. 2 seconds. Lovely. Okay, change back tayo. Entry ball tayo. Depensa ang team ng dapat. Okay, change back tayo. Apat na lamangan para sa team ng dapat. Depensa dapat. One ball.
Tawa mo buwak saya na. Ah. Tawa mo buwak saya.
Alves, Castro. Pass. Nice D. Number very pass to jersey number 27. Megan Bess. Nabitawan number 17. Drive. Extra pass. Ball. Pass up right away. Another rebound. That's not sure what I'm doing. And then the red zone. Kick now. Sweet pass. Closer shot. Walang rebound. Number 27. Drive. There's a man. Indian is in the basket. Really wrong. Advance. Discussion long three. Wala. Indian. He's on. There is a foul number one. First personal foul. First team foul. Indian left pass number 27 is in Karan Namitan. He is guarded. That's all fearless good. 23-15. Marulit. India. Sabasa. Big pass. Angel intercepted. Repass is the Rastasio. Drive. Did draw. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 17. Sweet pass number 20. Sinagasa. Depensa. Pero wala. Sa mga pente. Wala pa rin. Pisa, pasa sa kalaban ng bola. Ay babalik sa team ng datang. Perona, Pagkate, si Gasa on the left. Long way, Pisa. Ay, ang wrestling timeout. Team Andrew. Yes, Mr. Rastasio. Sixteen on the shot clock. Five. Number 17. Drop pass number 15. Punta tayo laban. Number 2 pass. On number 14, Mr. Castro. Zigzag. Nugget. Rebound. Revolta. Single down. 16 on the shot clock. Yes, Mr. Nawaza, 14 on the shot clock. Yes, pass. Lisa, kick out. Dustin Longre. Yes, sir. That is it, 18. Pass number 27. 15 on the shot clock. That down to number 17. Shot clock. 10 seconds. Returns and turnover. White ball down. Pass it down. Turn it on. Good for two. Babasani. 26-20. Dapat number 7. Prime. Nabitawan Nizam. Baseball pass. Estacio. Pass pass. Castro. Basa. Outplayed away is good. Dapat 26-22. India number 27, 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Gas number 23, 50 on the shot clock. Prime, spiced up, floater shot, agawan sa bull wall. Pinay, Timberview. 22, balik-balik sa anin. 5 minutes and 20. Kabasa, 16 on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. Estacio, long three. Wala. Offensive rebound. Fake and fires. Wala pa rin. Number 20 on the rebound. Joy. Wala. Number 18 to the cover. Keep down. Number 27, right corner. Awa. Wala. Okay, rebound lang. Last break. Dizon. Wide open. Here. Oh, she's good now. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. Number 5. Number 10 is in. So good. Sa attempt, tingnan natin. This ball bell. There's number 10. First contact, first kick bell. Yan, yan. O, nagkakagak sila. Number 9, Flores. Drive. Feed away. Rebound. Pass number 5 na pa. Magbababa ng bola. Drive. Ganda pasa. Easy basket. Money. Yan, there's a number 33, 34. Yes, and number 12, Babasa, 14 on the shot clock. And a whistle. Counters to number 5. First personal, 17 bell. Pass number 12, Babasa. Quick pass, Borja. Look at it. Number 5 is another one, and may taman niya. At tayo naman, ang ball is in. Basket niya naman. At because Samabel, version number 9. Is Flores, first personal, sa Digaw. Okay, 33-24, balik sa shot. Ang kalamangan, kapasagin down. Pass to Flores. Balik pass, Jose Bora. Flores in the left lane, launches a Brady, one left down. Pass number 5, is Noah. Pass number 10, harap over, napaganda pa ata. Wala, rebound, number 9, Mr. Flores sa mitay. Flores ang tapos, lagi discarte. Yes, Bora, tuloy kita, wala. Offensive rebound, Flores. Drawing, pull up. Wala pa rin. The rebound, one guard, bring it pass, number 22, drawing, nice pass. Easy basket. 35-29. That's it. Yes, Mr. Babasa. Quick pass, Nestasio. Tisa. Porsche, rebound. Pass, napaganda naman. Oh, wala rebound. Mr. Bora. Bora now, stop and pass and three short, number 10. Oh, nagtawag mo lang. Flores now, portion na yan. Nagawa sa buko. Backside by number 10. Look at pass, Mr. Nama. Jigsaw, drive, easy in, got that screen, the pass and rebound, put down palabas. Another rebound na. Pass is the lead. Bora pa rin. Kick out, Flores. Payne, Flores na isa rin. Sa mga natin natin. Bora pa rin. Pass break play for 10. Nandito siya rin down. Sumara situation. Pass. Put back is there. Okay, timeout. PNG. The official score, 37-24. 15 on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. Shoot pass in the middle. Feet away. No good. Consumption rebound. Bring it back sa number 5 Nova. Pass ulit. Number 20. Unang maganda na naman. 39-34. Yes. Whistle. Whistle foul. Jersey number 22. First personal foul. And a 13th foul. He got pass. Borja again. Yes, sir. 27-39. 1 minute sa ating game clock. That's number 5. 50 on the shot clock. Long 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Let's see the putback. Consumption fading away. Good for 2. Pass number 1 Houston. Pass. Consumption 27. Pass break. Fabinho. Speed. Fade. No pass. Nice linya. It's a simple lang. 15 on the shot clock. On the shot clock. Now a play. Easy basket. 15 seconds. Game clock. Wait for the buzzer. 12 seconds. 10 seconds game clock. 7 on game clock. 5 seconds. Estacio, 3 seconds. Clock beginning. 1. And the first half officials score 143-27. About 1 on the third quarter. But the bonus score. Valdez, don't see. Number 26 is Tacho. Look at it. Cargos. Right. Their pass is the radio. Free pass, Castro. Drop pass. Malakas. Pass again, but post left-handed. Eagle Batizon. Pass to Mr. Flores. Walang bantay. Easy layup. 43-29. Inbound, maybe transfer to 7.
Alas 2. Alas 2.
Big pass. Buka tayo natin. Rebound, number 9, Flores, 2-on-1 situation. Speed, ball fires, 4 shots, 7 attempt. 1-1. Rebound, third attempt in natin, in first demi. Flores, lances a 3. No good. Rebound, number 31. Billy pass, number 7, Piso. Basket's good. Pass is in number 14. Eason, floater shot, really good rebound. Pass number 7, Sergio Cruz. Extra pass, la rebound, number 14. Easy on, easy 2 points, 45-31. Number 7, Cruz. Deal shot block, don't be. The first shot is good. And they're running hooks. Inbound. Pass on number 14, Castro. Extra pass. And a whistle, substitution. Number 31. Sabret. South personal foul, first team foul. Pull up, quick. Their drop is good. Sige. Inbound, number 14, Flores. Double team. And a whistle. Down position number 16, first contact, 17 down. Yes, Sebastian. Flores, Bahati Suno. No good. Put back. Is good. That's number 7. That's no break. No good. That's number 7, Flores. Flores down. Drive. Plays it in. Give her 2. 49-35. That's number 7. Intercepted for 16. Is it in? Yeah. Tapos yung timeout, LG, 54-35.
Nagwala pa.
All the viewers. Kaya mga magdala ng kanyang shoot.
Pangyayakan, boss? Magpapagawa ka rin eh. Isang kaan. Wala kang magawa. Makapamili ka po. Di na nakita.
Back to the ball. 54-35, point for
Sige.
one. Pass Eason, don't two. Look at Angel. Astro, susuko sa 3. Short. Ayan balance. Pass again. Alio. Look at. Rebound. Borja. Borja drive. Zarin malakas. Rebound mode. 6 pounds to 1. Stop and fires away. Wala rebound. Number 7 is the basket. 26-35. Pass is Borja. Castro. Number 7 intercepted. See. Roy, the noise back, out of bounds. All up, all up.
Pogi, oh.
Yes. Intercepted. It's a pull up game. Wala rebound. Biggie pass on number 22, Juanito. Bounce pass to number 17, number 2. Baseball pass. Espacio. Just as good. As a count, I think it's our bell. Just number 3. Yep. First contact, 13th foul. Substitution. Borja. Buzz right here. Okay, pabasa na kayo niya ang number 19. What's up, shot pass? Pass it up. Court and center shot block. Coming in the left wing. Launches a three. Yes, sir. Pass to Mabasa. Matatuin. Good ball. Good pass. Rebound was up short. Pass was to me. Early Dizon. Oh, and again, 1-2. So it's a 3-30. Pass number, Togo Masa. Number 30, Angel. Kick count, Dizon. Long 2. Is good. That's a short pass for me. Six yellow shot clock. Pass the long. Long center shot clock. Pass number 19. Long 2. 5 seconds shot clock. Pass and Arizona. Number 1, 7 personal down and a first team down. A block shot, Arizona. Best break point. Tingin step at basa na bitawan. Number 2. 6-3-42. Pass number 22. Long speed. Nice pass. Number 17. Number 2. 65-42. Iba pass ni Zera Stasio. Whistle. Carrera. Number 22, 7 personal. And a warning for penalty. These are the Dolores. Dolores long 3. In and out. Special put back. Good. These both hands are down. Say that in inbound. Working on the shot clock. Eason. Down drain in the lane. That's it up. Yeah, good here. Pass number 12 to Basang. Lagi pass sa Spasio. Launches a brace. Yes, sir. 67, 47, 1 minute and 50. On the shot clock. Pass, Mr. Kapanzan. All alone. Injury is good. 67-49. 1 minute and 20. Pass number 17, Nabitawan. Keep down, number 9, Flores, Espacio. SD, napaganda po. Pass it down. Pasabit mo, now down, under number 20, deal with third person down penalty. Okay, 67, 52, inbound. One minute and 10 seconds. Fifty on the shot clock. Mr. Rock on three. Yes, sir. 15 seconds to go. Bisco. That's a shot. Ryan. Is it in? What a offensive rebound. Big. Empty count. Mr. Rock holding the pass down. 41 seconds to go. That's against the pass up. Pull up J. Gilbert Hill. 70-54. 33 seconds on the game clock. Pass it up. Yak to Mr. Carino. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Pull up. Yes, sir. Shot clock is dead. 12 seconds on the game clock. Nabasa pa rin. Nabasa drive. Easy rin. Easy basket. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 1. And the good quarter is more than Kailangan sa kanya. Yes, sa gitna. Total. Awas din. Balik sa 12. Kaya serve on set. Sige. Yes, this is Bora. Number 24. Launches a Gray. Look at it down. Here we go. That's number 7. Bagus sa gitna. 15 ang shot clock. Yes. 10 ang shot clock. Corpus. 8-7 shot clock. Nakawala. Look at it. Offensive female. Second half na natin. Nakikita sa ilalim. Shot clock. Kawas sa 10. Intercepted. Mr. Flores. Run on situation. Drive. Gilbert Dio. Kawas sa 10 ulit. 3-17. 3 minutes and 50. Pass number 7. Malakas. Pass number 30. It is your Angel. Bounce basketball.